If you love traveling but hate high fares, stick around. Here are 7 tips to score cheap flights. Tip 1. Book on Tuesday and Wednesday. Why? Most airlines drop their prices mid-week. It's a sweet spot for deals. Tip 2. Book early but not too early. Aim for around 21 days before your trip. Airlines offer their best prices to early birds but not too early. Tip 3. Fly on Tuesdays or Wednesdays. These days are typically less busy, which means lower fares and less crowded airports. Win-win. Tip 4. Look for the best deal for international flights. This usually pops up 11 to 12 weeks in advance. Keep an eye out. Tip 5. Choose smaller airports. Landing at a secondary airport can save you big bucks. Skip Heathrow. Hello, Manchester. Tip 6. Clear your cookies. Airlines track your searches. Clear those cookies to avoid price hikes. Tip 7. Compare prices. Use search engines like Skyscanner, Momondo, and Kayak to find the best deals. Don't settle for the first price you see. Happy travels, and may your wallet stay full.